Hello everyone. Before I continue this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Septian Janugraha and I am from PPS Nanta Dharma Batch 2023 and my student number is 087. In this video, I would like to review one of the educational technology and I will review Edpuzzle. So, in this video, I would like to evaluate Edpuzzle specifically from a teacher's perspective, focusing on how effective Edpuzzle for language learning and learner autonomy, progress tracking, and managing large classes. So, let's get started. So, now let's take a look at the user interface of Edpuzzle. When we first open the Edpuzzle website at edpuzzle.com, we are greeted with a simple and clean minimal homepage. The interface is dominated by a simple banner and there are two options, login or sign up. So the color scheme is consistent with a calm tones, making it easy to navigate even for the first time users. So to access the platform, we need to click login or sign up. Login is when you already have an account, and the sign up, if you don't have an account, you need to register first. So we need to log in, and because we are going to talk about the teacher's perspective, so we are going to teach, and you can log in with a Google or Microsoft account. Okay, wait. So this is what you see when you log in as a teacher. At the top left here, there is a navigation button, and when you click on it, the features that you can use for free will appear. The first feature in this section is a add new, where you can create new classes or activities. Next, there are discover and quizzes features. The discover features here allows you to search for interactive videos created by other teachers or other platforms such as YouTube. So in this quizzes also provide ready-made quizzes that you can use free in your class. So the navigation button here also has a feature my content and my school, which these features allow us to manage our school or our classes. Next, at the top here, there is also search bar that allow us to search for material available on the online platform. This section also has a feature. Okay, this section there is also features that make it easy for us to find material videos that are suitable for our classes. And the top right here, there is a feature such as icon setting, notification, and help center. Okay, overall, Edpuzzle homepage has fairly minimalist design and doesn't have too many distracting banners. Personally, I find that a simple minimalist design like this makes it comfortable and easy to use because there are not too many unnecessary features. Okay, for your information, the free version of Edpuzzle has more limited features than the paid version. You can see the prices and the benefits right here. Okay, this is the free features that you can use, and this is the paid version. You can see the benefits here. I will evaluate Edpuzzle is specifically from the perspective of language learning and classroom practically. In terms of language skill, Edpuzzle is especially effective for listening comprehension, as learners are required to watch video actively rather than passively. Teachers can also insert reading prompts, vocabulary questions, or open-ended writing responses, which enables integrated practice of listening, reading, and writing skills. However, Edpuzzle does not directly support speaking production unless teachers combine it with follow-up oral tasks outside the platform. Regarding the learner control, Edpuzzle gives students the ability to pause, replay, and rewatch parts of the video at their own pace. This is particularly beneficial for language learners who may require additional time to process input. At the same time, teachers can disable skipping to ensure that students do not rush through the content. When it comes to large class management, Edpuzzle is highly efficient. Instead of checking its students manually, the platform automatically tracks who watched the video, how many times they rewind specific parts, and which answer they submitted. This allows teachers to manage even 40 to 50 students without losing control over individual progress. In terms of taking learning, students cannot directly set personal learning goals within the platform. However, teachers can design tasks with clear objectives that align with the curriculum target. There are also self-assessment opportunities if teachers include reflection questions such as how confident are you with this topic or explain your understanding in your own words. Meanwhile, teachers can easily identify students' strengths and weaknesses based on detailed analytics provided after each assignment. Aside from language skill, students also develop digital literacy, self-regulation, and critical thinking, especially when open-ended questions are used. However, in terms of interaction, Edpuzzle is quite limited. There is no built peer-to-peer communication or discussion space. Collaboration is only possible if teachers assign the activity in pairs or conduct it in live modes, followed by external group discussion. In conclusion, Edpuzzle is highly effective for individual language practice and progress monitoring, but it functions best when combined with other platforms to facilitate interaction and speaking practice. From a technical perspective, Edpuzzle is relatively accessible and does not require advanced hardware. It can be used on laptop, desktops, computers, tablets, and even smartphone, as long as the device has a web browser. However, for the best viewing and answering experience, a laptop or computer is recommended, especially for activities that involve typing longer responses. In terms of internet connection, Edpuzzle requires a stable online connection at all times, both for teachers creating content and students completing assignments. Videos cannot be downloaded for offline access, which means school or house with weak internet coverage may face technical challenges. Concerning data usage and privacy, Edpuzzle collects basic information such as name, email, and activity progress. For the students, the platform tracks viewing behavior, answer history, and performance analytics. According to their policy, Edpuzzle complies with COPPA and FERPA standards, meaning it is considered safe for educational use. However, teachers should still verify schools or regional data protection guidelines before implementation. Finally, in terms of user support, Edpuzzle provides several resources, including a help center with tutorial, frequently asked questions, and step-by-step guides. There is also email-based customer support for technical issues. Additionally, there is an active online teachers community where educators share lesson templates and troubleshooting advice. Overall, the platform offers sufficient support for both beginner and experienced users.